Good morning, it's Arturo Lobo, responsible of Arcrea Solar project, which has been carried out by a small group of engineers and architects to develop a solar heating system with generation of changing aesthetics. This project has received a Research and Development Award and it has currently 2 worldwide patents pending. At the wall of video, we want to present the main patent in detail, and also the description about some products and several aspects related with the technology. Whose aim is illuminate with a sunlight house or a building or absorbing that energy, according to the thermal demand curve and without mobile elements. It means the system absorbs much more energy in winter than in summer, and that is necessary to be able to dimension a solar heating system, which in winter needs 8 times more energy than domestic hot water, that ACS curve, and nothing in summer. In addition, that technology allows generate pictures or colors on the building's facade without additional elements. Those images or colors could change with the sun or spectator position, as well as this system is able to generate high concentration. To understand the system, it is recommended to start by the videos of summary and basis or fundaments. We apologize for the simplicity of these videos, which has been created by the research team itself, only with educational and informative intention.
Why was the international project Alcrea Solar created? Do you know that the world's heating consumption is more than 2 trillion euros per year? That it accounts for over 50% of home energy consumption and for 15% of the world's total energy consumption? And it is also responsible for more than 10% of CO2 emissions? However, there are 2 major problems to cover it with solar energy. A conventional solar system that collects enough energy for winter would collect twice in summer, which would be like having to shower with water hotter than 300 Celsius degrees. On the other hand, if it is already difficult to save with solar energy the cost of the panels, it would be even harder to do so considering that the panels only collect solar energy during the winter and have to give up all the energy that they could compile during the summer. It is for this purpose that the international project Alcrea Solar was born. It has already accumulated 9,000 working hours done by engineers and architects in a passive system capable of collecting in accordance to the demand curve and can also reflect to the sky the sun radiation falling in summer. The panels create walls and roofs which provide sufficient areas to capture the enormous amount of energy needed in winter and placing it where required. Panels are fixed. They don't need to be covered or changed in each season, and they are composed by arrays of concentrators and collector elements, which are also fixed and easily manufactured. For these reasons, the cost of the panels is usually less than 1,000 euros per 100 square meters of house or new buildings, with a payback period of 2 to 5 years, depending on the latitude, the climate zone, and the orientation. This costs approximately double for buildings or homes that are already built. In this case, simplified panels are used and placed on existing facades. As a differentiating factor, the panels can create images in the facade that changed with the position of the sun or the observer. The absence of moving elements increases its reliability. Additionally, panels have high thermal isolation and can provide domestic hot water. However, the Alcrea Solar project's purpose is not purely economic or to create a strong company and leader in the market, but its focus on social responsibility and the environment are essential. The aim is to provide companies from different countries with engineering support, expertise, and necessary coordination as a quick way to create wealth and jobs, and to achieve the implementation of solar heating systems which is so necessary for the environment. And this is the goal of the patent, which aims to ensure cooperation and profitability to the companies involved in the project that share this philosophy and that want to give a social use to a part of the profits. The important thing is to take from the sun those more than 2 trillion euros per year that could represent savings around 500 euros per year for an average family. Join us, get involved with or without personal or economic effort, whether you are a company, a department manager or an individual. Subscribe to our channels, tell your friends and colleagues, and contact us. We all have a lot to win.
The video 9 and the next one show the prototypes and explain how to get benefit of the project. Those benefits could be gotten at individual level or for a company, as well as economic and social environmental benefits. If you want to produce or you are an interested client, we give you more details on free drawings. The project has social and supportive components. Watch the videos about how to work, to collaborate, to translate, and so on, and help us to spread them. Click to see the other videos or go into detail on this one.